Thank you for calling Roll-Off Parts. This is Brittany. How can I help you?
Hi Brittany, this is Matt from Miller's Refuse. I'm on your website and I need some help finding what I'm looking for. Can you help me out?
Of course. Since you're already on the website, we can walk through it together. Let me know when you're ready.
Great, thank you. I'm ready now.
Great, let's get started. On the home page, you will see 4 different sections you can go to. The roll-off parts section includes all of the container parts and accessories you would need for your roll-off. Next, small can parts is where you would find everything for front and rear load containers. Then, the standard and ISO subframe section is where you would go to build a subframe for your roll-off truck when upfitting specialized equipment. And finally, the refurbishment program section will allow you to receive a quote to get your container restored through the roll-off parts full service refurbishment program.
Wow, you really do have everything but the container.
We sure do. We take pride in providing solutions that keep your business in motion. So what can I help you find today?
I'm looking to purchase some replacement wheels for my roll-off container.
Great, I'll take you to it. Start by clicking the Roll-Off Parts View Parts button. Once the page loads, click on Wheels, and you will go to a page with every wheel that Roll-Off Parts has to offer, several being in stock and ready to ship within 3 business days.
Sweet. I need to get this wheel replaced before a big project in a couple weeks.
That won't be a problem at all. Do you know what size wheel you need?
Sure do. I've got a 30-yard roll-off and just need the rear wheel replaced. I might get a couple extras just in case this happens again.
No problem. Standard 30-yard roll-offs have 8x10 rear wheels. Are you looking for the complete assembly or just the wheel and the axle?
The complete assembly, please.
Great. So scroll down until you see the 8x10 wheel with bracket and give that a click. Once that loads, you'll select which bracket size and build grade. Standard brackets for 30-yard containers are 5x7, and you can choose whichever grade you think will fit your business needs.
Alright, I have that selected. What's next?
Now you just have to select the quantity you want.
I decided to get a few more just in case. Should I add it to my cart now?
Yep, if that's all the parts you need for today, I can show you how to check out. Once you've added the wheels to your cart, you'll see a red bar at the top of the page asking you if you want to view your cart. Go ahead and click that button. Here you can make any last-minute changes.
What are all of these shipping options?
When you enter your shipping information, you will see a shipping estimate for FedEx Ground or LTL Freight. We also have a local pickup option for those within driving distance of our facility in Hadley, PA. If not, we recommend that you select a commercial address to receive the best rates. However, if a residential address is necessary, be sure to select that option so you avoid additional charges later on.
Does it matter which shipping option I choose?
We like to give several options when we are able to. That way you are getting the best price on shipping. But sometimes, due to the weight and the dimensions of the order, FedEx Ground will not be available and the parts will be secured to a pallet and shipped through an LTL carrier.
That's pretty cool.
I agree. Now you'll just enter in your card information and place your order. You'll then get a confirmation email letting you know your order has been placed and we'll get working on it right away. As I said before, most of our standard products, including wheels, are in stock and ready to ship within a few days. I also wanted to let you know that our website is mobile friendly, so if you ever needed to place an order while on the road, you can just pull it up on your smartphone. You can search by part number or part name using the search bar on both the computer or your phone.
Awesome. I'll definitely keep that in mind.
Is there anything else I can help you out with today?
Nope, that's it. It's time for me to get back to work.
Don't hesitate to let us know what more we can do to keep your business in motion. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.